Very good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. सबसे पहले please do like and subscribe to the channel and hit notification button so that you get notified every time there is a video uploaded. So let's recap what happened today. So had a great trade. First up, market opened exactly at our resistance level and it fell down to the last target of our short entry. By our, I mean in the stream, a live stream. So many people joined at 9:30. So rather the stream starts at 9:30. So many people could not take advantage, but we had a second trade also, which went very well. And then we also had trades in two stocks, which also gave very good money. So now going ahead, I unfortunately bring bad news because I think the market is going to go very a sideways manner from here. Looking at the candle setup. So we are looking forward to a pretty uninspiring expiry, I would say. And as you can see on the screen, there is a rectangle over here, which is between 25,050 to 25,230, and on the downside between 24,674 to 24,500 levels, 24,550 levels. So this is a big rectangle that is playing out now. So what ideally we should see is the range to contract and contract as we go forward, which is not bad from a perspective of a market remaining in the bullish territory. Because if it was a fall, then probably we would have seen the breakdown by now. But it is not breaking down. Every time it's going to this area, some buying is coming in and pushing it up. So we need to wait and watch. So what does that leave us for today? So I would say we don't try and trade Nifty today. That's my plan, and that's going to be what we do in the stream also. And we are going to focus on stocks instead. So before going there, let's understand Nifty a little bit more. So Nifty's resistance is 24,832 today, right? If the Nifty crosses this resistance and trades above this level, then we can see 24,887 and 24,993. So the best ideal trade would be either A, we get a good positive candlestick at the support level of 24,730 or 729, and we get a positive candlestick there, and then we are able to trade it to 24,832 and 24,887 and even 24,993 as the targets in coming days. And the best short trade would be if it opens gap up around 24,887 and then creates a negative candle and falls, then we can get 24,832 and 24,729 and 24,674 and 24,591 as today's targets. So these are critical levels, and we might get, as the trend has been for the last 2-3 days, there is one big move up and then one big move down, or the other way, one big move down and then one big move up. There are only two waves happening here. So let's not try and capture both, even if we are trading. Try to capture the only one move, that is from up to down or down to up. So, and then do not trade a second time, even if the first trade hits stop loss. So, because there is no point in trading sideways trading options long in a sideways market, as we know. It can result in big losses. So this is a situation that I try and avoid it. Now, from here, so I decided that today we will be looking at a few stocks, and I have got 3 beautiful stocks to pick from. Let's go through each of them one by one. The first stock I have on my radar is Divis Lab. So please note that I have a position already on Divis Lab. I'm carrying a short position. So Divis Lab is looking very interesting. It broke out and then made a rolling wave candle, and then it has formed 2 inside bars, almost 3, and then it has broken down yesterday. So this would be a very good stock to trade in today's market, and it has got support at 5,800 and also at 5,650 levels. And there's a gap to be filled around 5,500 levels. The next stock I have is M&M. Now, today is the 22nd. That means we have Hyundai IPO, right? Today is the listing of Hyundai IPO. So do we get any impact on M&M? Probably. Let's look at how the charts say. So it is taken support at 2891, which is near the previous breakout level and formed a beautiful hammer, perfect picture hammer. Yesterday's also was kind of a hammer. So 2 hammers in a row, which means the charts are telling us something. If you know what it is, you know it is. And then if you don't know, you have to read my book on candles, because I'm not allowed to give you what is the trading strategy, what are the levels, etc. Right? Now, let's look at my third stock. My third stock is going to be Orient Cement. Now, we have to look at it in the context of a lot of negative results that cement companies are coming with for Q2. In that sense, this guy is making a brand new high. So there is something cooking here. What is cooking? So let's understand the structure here, right? There is a big extension of price and the extension seems to continue. So there is very good support at 343, which will come in, and the resistance will come in at 360 levels. So there is a good, nice trade opportunity that I see here. And if you can spot it, this would be a very good trade to do. If you want to know what kind of candles these are going to make during the intraday time frame, I welcome you to join the live stream, where more than making money, it's about learning what we do, right? So no trade is assured to have profit. So we try and do learning as to why we are taking a trade and risk management, which I have put out many videos on. I request you to look at them. And do join us and suggest ideas, new ways of doing things. Very happy to take your feedback. And I hope to see you, many of you, in the live stream today. And have a great, great, great trading day. Please remember, Nifty थोड़ा sideways जा सकता है. Bye bye.